Can artificial intelligence replace humans? Will machines one day take over jobs, make decisions, and control everything? Should humans fear AI? Or is AI simply a tool created to assist us? Today, we will explore one of the most debated questions in the modern world. Welcome back to our AI learning series. So far, we have explored what AI is, how it learns, deep learning, AI tools, future of AI, and many other important concepts. But today, we will discuss an important question that many people ask. Can AI truly replace humans? Artificial intelligence can perform many tasks very quickly. It can analyze huge amounts of data, recognize images, translate languages, recommend videos, and even generate text and images. In some areas, AI can work faster than humans. That is why many jobs are changing. Repetitive tasks like data entry, simple calculations, and routine processes can now be automated using AI. This creates fear among many people. But there is something important to understand. AI cannot fully replace human emotions, creativity, wisdom, moral judgment, and deep human understanding. AI can calculate, but it does not truly feel. It can generate answers, but does not possess consciousness. Humans have qualities that machines do not truly possess. For example, compassion, ethics, leadership, intuition, and emotional connection. A machine may assist a doctor, but human care and empathy still matter deeply. So perhaps the better question is not will AI replace humans, but rather how will humans work with AI? AI is most powerful when it helps humans, not when it replaces them completely. In the future, many professions may change. Some old jobs may disappear, but new opportunities will also emerge. That is why learning new skills and understanding technology is becoming increasingly important. Remember this: fear alone is not the solution, understanding is the solution. The people who learn AI, adopt, and use technology wisely will be better prepared for the future. So today we learned AI can automate certain tasks, but it still cannot fully replace human emotions, human intelligence, and human wisdom. AI is powerful, but humans remain essential. Technology becomes most powerful when humanity guides it wisely. So instead of fearing artificial intelligence, let us understand it, learn it, and use it responsibly.